Hey everybody, kind of doing a little something different. I was contacted by this company, Wealpe, and they do a lot of GoPro mounts. They got a lot of different kinds of GoPro mounts, and they asked me if I wanted to try this out and do a little bit of a review. So I ended up getting one. They are on Amazon. It came super quick, and I did open this up. I actually did try it before I did this video. So here is the box, and this is exactly what you get minus the GoPro. You get the mount and everything. And it is just a chest mount, and what these are for is usually for any kind of action cam that you want to have your hands free and you want a chest shot. It's actually quite comfortable. And let's open up the box and see what we got inside. Now, like I said, I did open this up already. I did use it. You do get the chest mount and all the straps. And some nice clips and stuff. They got their nice and sturdy. They do have a very nice flat mount to mount your GoPro on. This is the standard clip mount. They do have some mounting locations on the bottom, so if you wanted to add some straps, I'm pretty sure you could. But the fabric is very nice, very stretchable. It's not that cheap elastic. It's actually very high quality elastic for the price that you pay to get it. And it is fully adjustable with 2 shoulder straps. This goes onto your back. Nice hard plastic. It's very lightweight. You have adjustable there as well. And then this goes around to your lower back. And straps there. This here is the mount that you actually mount your GoPro to. It clips in that. It comes with a nice thumb screw. It's got the newer GoPro design on the neck, so that way it clears the newer GoPros. Right now I'm filming this on my 10, so let me grab my 8. They're all about the same. The 8 and the 10 is a little bit different size. So, and I tried it with both of them, where I wore it for a while, and they both work pretty well. But on the 8, the newer ones, they do have the shoes, the shoes on the bottom. The other ones, you have the action cam base. So mounting this, you can do it different ways. It depends on how you're going to wear it. That is also the nice thing about GoPros and this. So this way it would actually be backwards. It would be actually facing you. But you can do a shot like that, where if you're wanting to walk and talk, and you don't mind holding or showing your lower chin, you can mount it like that. But let me get the base. And so before I put this on, you have the 2 springs. You just slide it in like that. And so then you could have your camera up higher. You can also mount it like that, and the camera will do the option of flipping it over. But the problem with that one is you don't get to see the screen. This way here, you can see the screen, do all your settings, and then move it back up. So that's the way I did it. So here I did a side-by-side comparison. The one on the left, the bigger one, is handheld. The one on the right, the smaller picture, is actually the one that's mounted to the chest mount. And this is without camera stabilization. So it moves more than what you would, but this is just kind of getting the baseline. As you can see, they're both moving, but the one in the background's moving a lot more. That is the handheld one.
It is a lot nicer not having to hold on to the camera the entire time, having your hands free, especially on a cold day like that. Keep your hands in your pocket. Here I'm showing another use for it. When you're flying your drones, you do not have any sound. So having this on your chest, it actually keeps it there so you can have sound to go with it. And on the little screen you can actually see how it fits. Not very small. It fit very comfortably. And I had it over all my winter coats. I had 2 jackets on. And it fit very well. It still had a lot more flexibility. I could adjust it a lot more. But it's nice not to have to worry about a tripod and that, have it anywhere else. Just have it actually mounted right there. You can actually see the screen. And that can be another way to help you time the videos out right in comparison for the sound. Let's say if you wanted to do a drone shot and talk around it that I'm not doing, you can do that as well. Hopefully this helps make your purchase easier, and hope you have a very good day.